not much of a container grower, but since I have started putting some plants in containers, I have a little trick for a light fertilizing every time they get watered. Stuff a sock, an old sock, full of some sort of whatever fertilizer you have, compost. You can shove it full of weeds, just pack it tight. And then I like to use a hair tie instead of a rubber band. I feel like they last longer to close it, and it's easier to get off when you want to refill it. This gets shoved into your watering can. Fill this full of water. I like to just let it sit and steep. I just make sure it's filled the night before with water so it can set all night. I keep a couple of these full at all times, so every time I go to water, every plant gets watered with a solution of this at least once a week. This is how I watered and fed our indoor plants at work all winter, and it worked really well. I also have some buckets here with rainwater in them. I just leave them out, the rain goes in, and then it soaks. See how there's dark brown in the bottom? That's the leached fertilizer. A quick stir, and it's ready to go. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. And if you didn't know, human urine is a very good source of nitrogen, and it's free. Now, if you're taking pills or something, don't use your urine. Add about an 1/8 cup of urine or an ounce for every gallon of water. I do make sure I water at ground level, and none of the solution is getting on the plant leaves, especially edible greens. That would be nasty. In fact, if I'm going to use urine, I usually make a nice brew of compost with the urine in it and saturate the soil before even planting.